All right, it's 9:17 a.m. It's about more or less 10 minutes before market opens, but right now we see this huge leg down on the 5-minute candle. I already marked out where I'd be taking it short, but I believe that the market will retrace back up into this area. This is basically the 50 fib and optimal trade entry levels for a short to occur. I believe we are in a market maker sell model at the moment, even though the overall trend is still bullish. The daily bias is bearish, right? Eventually, I'll be looking for price to come back down into this area, into this 50 fib level, and these optimal trade entries. There's a fair value gap right here, which aligns well with the optimal trade entry. So I will be looking for price to come back down here eventually, but in the near term, price is still in the market maker sell model. I'll be looking for shorts in this area today. I will come back at 9:30 to reevaluate the market, and then we'll go from there. It's 9:28. It looks like price wants to head up more into this area, so that's a good thing. I do see an opportunity here where I can take a long. I think I might take that here because I see this manipulation leg forming. So if this form, I could potentially take a trade up into the 2 fib or even the 4 fib at market open. So let's just wait for this to happen. This is a pretty good price action move here. This is kind of something that I had played around with, and the outcome was pretty good. So let's just watch what happens here. It's 9:29. Manipulation down and up, I believe. So I think I'm going to put a sell or a buy limit order there, so that we can take this up. If it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. Doesn't matter. But there is also this fair value gap down here, so I think the manipulation will most likely head down there to take it up into the 2, and I think I'll be good with that trade. Tagged in. Actually, the stop loss should be down at that fair value gap. Manipulation leg. The 2 fib is up there, but I'm going to set the stop loss at that high. Or not the stop loss, the take profit. So let's watch price go back up, go up into here. You know what? That fractal high looks like a better price to stop at. Take profits at, I mean. Okay, now it's just a waiting game. Let's look at the risk to reward real quick for this trade. 1. Do I want to take 2? 2 to 1 is right here. How many ticks is that? 114 ticks. I should be okay with that, right? Yeah. Let's just move it down. I don't want to be greedy, but I do think that it'll hit there. Gosh. This is what happens in my thought process. I kind of just flip-flop around. I might just, depending on what price does, I'm going to move this up into basically above a break even because I don't feel like taking a loss on this trade. Right now, we're at 69 ticks. Let's see how high it would want to go. So this is 2 to 1 up here. And we'll learn. We'll see if I should have taken that 2 to 1 or not. Price looks like it wants to come back down. Volume imbalance here. There's a fractal high here. There's a high here. There's a high there. And then there's this imbalance up here. So I don't see why price wouldn't want to go back up. We are just watching. And I'm going to get stopped, I think. Bang, stopped. Okay, at least I didn't take a loss. It's $15 profit. I think it's actually coming back down into this area to rebalance more, but I think this might be another great area to buy again. So let's see what price does here. I'm buying. Stop loss here. Sell here. Is there an issue with the audio? Is this mic not working? Stopped out. Okay, so now I am down 163. Let's see. Need to reevaluate. Did I want to come back down to 830 open into this area? Volume imbalance. So I took a trade here because it rebalanced this volume imbalance and it's kind of showing that it's respecting this fair value gap here, which is the reason why I took this trade. Got internal lows. Price action looks balanced. And I could be completely wrong. We will see. And stopped out. So now I am down $322.54. This is not a good start. So my original thesis was correct. Look for shorts. I should not have been going long in the first place because my bias was bearish. So any bearish PD array, any bullish PD array will fail if the bias is bullish. I know that. I should have stuck to that. So now I'm just kind of entering trades when I shouldn't be, but this is what happens. I go on a losing streak and then like my mind and my emotions start taking over. And this is something that I've been trying to nip in the bud for quite some time now. There's relative equal lows here, so there we go. Price will take that. I'm debating if I should just, okay. Dang, I hit my take profit. So now I'm down 56.72. I think price will actually come back down till about this stop loss right there. I'm going to see if it gives me an entry to come back down, to come back up so that I can take price down to this stop loss and call it a day. I think that's what I want. It's also 9:39. Silver bullet hours at 10 o'clock. I think this price might hit before silver bullet hour, or the stop loss might hit before silver bullet hour. Being patient, sell limit there. So this is mitigation. The price could come back up to here. We'll see. Ooh, there is a 5-minute div, bullish div, meaning that ES will most likely come back up to rebalance that. I think I want to remove my order, possibly. That div is shrinking now. Let's see if we get a silver bullet trade. Silver bullet entry right there. This will be the trade. Breaker, unicorn, OTE. So this area actually. Let me do that. Let me move that up here. Stop is going to be there. Take profit is going to be there. The reason why I did that is because there's a unicorn. This is a breaker. Boom, boom, boom. Breaker, fair value gap, unicorn. 5-minute Fiji. Took a quick scalp there. Now I'm down 1590. Let's see if price would want to retrace back up into that. And again, the reason why I am targeting here is because of these relative equal lows. All right, 944. I wonder if my mic is still working. There was an error about my mic failing. I guess we'll figure it out later, right? All right. Just filled that fair value gap. There's another fair value gap here. I'm going to take a scalping position here. I feel like it's going to take out that sell side right now. The markets can do anything. Oh, gosh. This is brutal. This is brutal. All right. Right here. Stop loss is right there. Right there. There we go. There we go. Bang. So now I'm up 184. Let's see if there's another trade that I can take. I mean, another area will be here, right? So for the silver bullet, how far can it go? Bang. Market is definitely tanking. We are in a bearish scenario now, guys. Oh, show. Markets are relentless. Absolutely relentless. All right, silver bullet trade. Here we go. Hit the 4 fib. Can we go down lower? See what price does here. I had already missed this trade. So if I wanted to, I could technically enter a market. Let's see. Oh, my stop is gone. What happened? Bang. Bang! All right. Looking for another fair value gap. Oh, it's headed lower. This trade plan is done. Let's see where this goes. All right, it's 9:58. Will we see a market structure shift? It took out all of this here. It also took out that low there. Will market reverse to the upside? That is the question. Will it go? Will it go from here to here? Oops. Come on. Bang. So I am now at 511.56. So we have now MSS. Right there, 56.75. Bye. Breaker. Breaker. Make this a different color. Let's make it green. And the text green. We can make it green. Okay. So maybe we can bring this down into here. There we go. And target this high again. I'm done trading for the day. I have made $612 on this demo account. This is a screenshot from Tradeovate, from the Top Step Tradeovate platform. I use TraderSync to kind of journal everything that I do on this 150k or 50k eval account. This is just today. 9 total trades. I lost 2. And this here's a screenshot of the Tradeovate platform. Like I said before, I took a max, or the largest losing trade was 175. So I'm pretty happy with my risk management. I stopped trading because I didn't feel like the market was gonna continue to go up, and previously I was extremely greedy. I didn't know when to stop trading, so I'm gonna stop trading right now. I only traded from 9:30 to 10:09, so that was 39 minutes, and I did $612. This is a demo account, basically. And if you see here the net liquidity right here, this means that I have made so far from a 50k account $2,123.54. Today alone, I did $612. For me to get funded, this net liquidity needs to go up to 53,000. So I need $3,000 in gains. So I'm about $900 away. The reason why you don't see net liquidity as $50,612 is because on the last trading day of the year of 2023, I took a trade. I took many trades, and I will show you right now what I did that day, the 29th. I took 38 trades. That's insanity. I should not have taken that many trades. This is just bad. I'm trying to fix that. Even though I had a really great day, a daily return of $1,500, I don't like that I took 38 total closed trades. I was stressed out majority of the time. I basically started trading from 10 a.m. to 11:19 a.m. So that's about an hour and 20 minutes. Took 38 trades, extremely stressed out. My daily return was $1,500. My win rate was 57%. But compared to today, I mean, look at this. I took only 9 trades, 77% win rate, $612. I'll take today any day over a $1,500 profit day because it was less stress, less time, and I managed my positions really well. Let me go over the charts because I thought that my mic had stopped recording, but you see here, my original buy limit was right here. I canceled that because I wasn't sure if price was going to continue up because of this 5-minute fair value gap. That price basically hit the 50% level to the tick and started drawing back down. So I basically took a scalp from here to here for $100 profit. And then I said, you know what? I made $612. I'm not going to overtrade and end up losing all of that. So I'm done trading. That's it today. I'm done. Price could definitely bounce off of this fair value gap and continue upward into this imbalance, up to this high, right? It could definitely do that, but I'm not going to sit here and wait for that. I'm done for the day, and that's the way that I'm going to continue to trade. And that's it. All right, bye.